This is an iPhone 16 front camera replacement. This is my iPhone repair kit that I use bits from iFixit or wherever I can get my hands on the bits. We'll grab our P2 bit and unscrew the 2 screws on the bottom to get ready to take off the back. Please share my video, and then maybe I can afford to buy the part, because I couldn't afford to buy the part for this video. You have to buy it from Apple for Face ID to work, and I didn't need to. The camera wasn't broken, and this is just an example of how to replace the camera, the front camera on the iPhone 16. And today's sponsor, here we have Cellhelmet's bar audio, the mini mag, and it connects onto your MagSafe, and it's a speaker, and it is quite amazing. You can set it up in many ways. Back to the repair. I did want to point out that Cellhelmet thing is really great for frolfing. All right, so we'll grab our metal pry tool and our suction cup, and then lift up the glass where we can get our plastic pry tool, which is a guitar pick from iFixit, and put it underneath the glass. And I am no affiliate with iFixit at all. I wish I was. So iFixit, if you're watching this, just please email me. All right, so we're gonna work our way around the edges here of the glass, and then just check inside to where the ribbon cable is so we don't accidentally snap it off. And then you'll open it up where the camera lenses are from the left to the right. So you'll lift it up over here, and it's giving me a hard time. I turned it on while I was working on it, and I turned it off again, and it's giving me a hard time. So I'm going to work on this side a little bit, be really careful for those ribbon cables, and just like work my tool around the edge here, and then break all the adhesive free. Got it open. So use the suction cup to hold the screen up for you, and then grab your Y000 screwdriver and remove the 2 screws, then slide the bracket out just like so. We'll disconnect the battery. That's that plus and minus sign one, which is great. So then you know exactly which one is the battery. Then you can disconnect the back glass and pull it off. You're going to need multiple bits for this part, a Y000 screw in yellow, and then in green, the PH000 screws. The screw sizes matter, so keep them organized. To remove the front camera, use your flat end of your plastic spudger to disconnect this connector, and then you can simply lift it out just like so. It's not held down by any screws, which makes it easy to come out. Here's the part, and we're going to put it back in. This is the one that came with the phone, but if you were to replace it with an aftermarket version, you would lose Face ID, and if you do it through the Apple self-service program, you should be able to reprogram it and remain having Face ID, but it costs a fortune to buy from there. And then you can put down the bracket and screw down all the screws again. And I wanted to say, if you want to learn how to put on the back, you can certainly go to this next video, but otherwise you can take it from here. Make sure you test everything before you fully put it back together.